Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to John's Kitchen. One chip challenge in the living room.
You even forgot what room you were in.
I don't know what room I'm in.
I'm the one that usually films Johnny's Kitchen. But here we got is the paquichip challenge. Where's the box,
the
John?
one chip challenge.
Oh, there it is.
Comes in the coffin.
And I if you guys ever watched any of our other videos, we usually don't like spicy food. So for this is a lot.
Yeah, we usually like open a can of soup and cook it on screen, you know.
Or show you how to make ice cubes.
Grilled cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Boil water. Make toast. We made toast one time. That was good. That?
I think the birds liked it. Yeah,
I think that was
pretty
one
good.
of our. We had most use of that. How to make toast.
Yeah. And sometime other than this, you need to check out Johnny's 10-second gym because.
Yeah, that was painful.
All 10 seconds of it.
All right.
So here we go.
You're supposed to eat the whole chip. We're wimping out because we're not spicy people, so we're going to split one. You know, that's just, we're wimping out. And you're supposed to see how long you can go without eating or without drinking or eating anything after you eat the chip.
But
and this chip has
I'm hoping this will get me
Carolina
through.
Reaper and Trinidad Scorpion and some other spices in it. It's supposed to be the hardest chip there is. So let's get this going.
So as you see here, it's a nice crisp black thing there. That's his cut because the chip broke somehow, even though it was in like a box.
We're wearing these gloves because they say if you touch your face or your privates or anything after you touch these things,
there's still a chunk in there. You want it?
No, you eat the rest.
I don't know if I can even. Okay. All right. So.
All right. Are we going?
I'm scared. Should I be scared?
You should be because you're crazy enough to suggest this. I told you I don't want no part of this.
And I'm still recovering from a chest cold, so maybe this will like really bring it out, right?
No.
All right.
On three?
Three. Oh, I already just touched it to my tongue and it hurt. I don't even think I can swallow it.
All right, I got mine swallowed.
I don't even think I can swallow mine. Oh my.
Told you it wasn't going to be pretty. All right, set the timer. Because I'm ready for some milk already. God damn, there goes the glove. Woo! They say you're going to drool, you're going to cry.
Ow, I didn't even. Oh my God.
What? Don't complain, it was your fucking idea, man. Whoa, sorry about the foul language. Woo!
Oh my God, this was such a bad idea.
I told you it was a bad idea.
Even the bird agreed. Oh.
Alright, I'm not even going to make it to the 5-minute lightweight thing, so I'm going to have some milk.
Oh my God.
As long as the milk's in your mouth, you're good. Once you swallow it, so it's heating up again. Woo! Yeah. Not a good idea at all. Oh.
Oh my God. God. I can't. Ugh. Oh. Oh. Don't try this at home. Oh. Oh. I don't like milk.
Just put it in your mouth. Just put the milk in your mouth and it goes away. Just don't.
Oh my God. Mm-hmm.
Until you swallow it, then it comes back.
Mm-mm.
Oh, God. Whew. As long as the milk's in my mouth, I'm good. As soon as I swallow it, ooh, it starts coming back.
Oh, God, why?
Another bad decision from Amber.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, I even lost my accent. Ah! Alright, shut the camera off. I'm done. Don't ever do this. Ever.
Mm-mm.